Good evening. We begin with tragic news from Spain, near the town of Adamuz. In the Andalusia region, two high-speed trains collided this evening. Authorities say this is one of the deadliest train accidents in Spain in over a decade. At least 39 people have died, and dozens more are injured. The collision occurred near Adamuz, roughly 30 kilometers north of Cordoba. One train was traveling from Malaga to Madrid when it struck another train on the same track. Several train cars derailed, leaving significant damage along the railway line. Emergency services confirmed 39 deaths so far. Dozens of passengers were injured, with many in critical condition. Rescue teams are working to free trapped individuals and transport them to nearby hospitals. Rescue efforts have been complicated by the scale of the derailment. Teams from the Red Cross, local firefighters, and military units are on site. Helicopters have been deployed to transport the most critical patients. Survivors describe the scene as chaotic, one passenger said. The train shook violently. People were screaming everywhere, lights went out, and many were trapped. Locals rushed to help, demonstrating a strong community response in the aftermath of the crash. Spain's transport minister expressed deep sorrow over the tragedy. A full investigation has been launched, focusing on potential technical causes. Human error is considered unlikely at this stage. Preliminary reports indicate a potential problem with a rail joint. High-speed trains are extremely sensitive to track defects. Investigators are reviewing maintenance records, rail materials, and signaling systems to determine the exact cause. This is Spain's deadliest train accident since the 2013 Galicia crash. The incident raises concerns about safety measures on Spain's high-speed rail network. It is considered one of the most advanced in Europe. Rail safety experts say this incident highlights the risks even in modern systems. Minor structural issues can have catastrophic consequences at high speeds. Questions are now being raised about track maintenance and inspection frequency. The timeline of events shows how quickly the tragedy unfolded. At 6:30 p.m., the train departed Malaga. By 7:15 p.m., the collision occurred near Adamuz. Emergency responders were on site within minutes, but the extent of the damage posed significant challenges. Spanish authorities have promised a full investigation. Our thoughts are with the victims, their families, and the communities affected by this tragedy. We will continue to provide updates as more information becomes available.